is Annette Economides from MoneySmartFamily.com, and today we're going to show you how to make stuffed grape leaves, or as the Greeks would call it, Dolmathes. And it comes with an Avgolemono egg lemon sauce. I'm making the guts right now. It's with ground beef, rice, onion, salt and pepper, and some dried mint leaves and water. Here is the cookbook that my mother-in-law, Steve's mom, gave me. And here's the recipe that she typed out. It's literally worn off, so I really need to write it in and then decoupage it or something.
But we're going to put it on our website.
Yes, we are going to put it on the website. We're going to mix the ingredients. This is 2 pounds of chopped meat, ground beef, and I like 80-20 best for the flavor. Okay, and then this is 1 whole onion diced.
And you aren't too particular about the onions. You're using a red onion?
I'm just using what I have in the house. Some red and some white. You can use all white. Whatever you have will work. Green onion may not be strong enough. Now I am going to do my pepper. Lots of pepper. And some salt. A friend gave me this, so I'm going to use this big salt, but it'll break down at sea salt and it'll be just fine. Then I'm going to mix in 1 cup of rice. You do that to absorb the water and hold everything together. This is a lot easier.
Uncooked.
This is all uncooked. It goes into the grape leaves uncooked. You can use your hands for this, just clean them first. I'm gonna move to my hands, but next is the mint leaves. And I don't know why, but it just calls for mint leaves. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to my hands. They were clean, so okay, we're just gonna mix it all together. See, it's not sticking well, and that's because I haven't added the water yet, and that'll make the rice, it'll plump the rice and make everything stick together. That's the final step. And you've got to make it several hours before you're ready to stuff, just so that the rice will absorb the water. Calls for 1/2 cup. So I grabbed a little bit more. Yeah, no, that's about right. Okay. Alright, 1/2 cup of water. And I'm going to just mix it in, just to make sure it's all absorbed. Wow, that absorbed fast. No, I think I'm going to mix some more. That just got immediately absorbed. It's got to have some moisture to sit and soak. You just have to feel it.
So you're probably adding 3/4 of a cup of water.
Right, I'm adding 3/4. I want it to be nice and moist. Okay, now you're supposed to let it sit for a little while. And there you go, that's the meat mixture. Okay, we're at the end of assembling the grape leaves. We're going to show you here how we put the meat as a little dollop.
How much meat are you using? Any idea?
It's like a tablespoon, maybe a little more than a tablespoon, into the leaf, and then you fold it over and roll it up. There you go. Go ahead and put it, and then into the pan it goes, and we're just about done.
Look at all of those.
I know. And then you put beef broth, you know, water with bouillon, and you cook it. I love this a lot because it can go on the stovetop or in the oven, and it's like the perfect size for making dolmades.
How long do you cook them for?
It takes about I want to say 45 minutes to an hour to bring it to a boil and slowly boil it on the stove.
Okay.
And you put a plate on top to keep the leaves pressed into the broth. Okay, what you see cooking on the stove is the Aveolemono sauce for the stuffed grape leaves. This is egg lemon, and so what I did is I used 1 1/4 cups of lemon because we like it real lemony, and I used 6 eggs. And then I ladled out the beef broth that was in with the grape leaves cooking. And so there's probably 3 cups of beef broth in here. I don't want to cook it to the point where it's going to curdle. So very soon here, I'm just going to add some cornstarch that I've liquefied to thicken the mixture.
You got to keep stirring it,
yes.
Otherwise it will curdle.
Correct.
And you've got it over a medium heat, right?
Right. Okay, so now I'm going to start to thicken it with the cornstarch. I'm going to take the whisk out because it's very well mixed, and I'm going to just stir with the spoon so you can see it. It's beautiful. It may need more thickening, but I'm also going to continue to leave it over the medium heat because as the egg cooks, it will thicken the mixture.
Hey, we hope you enjoyed this Dolmades and Avgolemono sauce recipe. Just look at those Dolmades. They are delicious with the sauce poured over them. You can get a lot more recipes at moneysmartfamily.com/recipes. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications so you're told when we're putting up a new video. And watch this recipe playlist next.